Hello everyone, I am Ritika Chusgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we started our Unit 2 where we discuss about the beyond classical search. Okay. So in the beyond classical search, there are different techniques are used like local search algorithm and optimization problem, local search in continuous spaces, searching with non-deterministic action, searching with partial observation, online search agent and the unknown environments also. So in the previous video we already discussed about the local search algorithm and the optimization problem. So there are different types of local search algorithms like hill climbing algorithm, simulated annealing and the local beam search, and the one optimization problem is the genetic algorithm. Okay. So in previous video we already discussed about the first local search algorithm, that is hill climbing algorithm. Okay, so you can check my previous videos, then you can check this video for the second type of local search algorithm, that is the simulated annealing. So simulated annealing is a stochastical global search algorithm, global search optimization algorithm. Okay, so this that means it makes use of randomness as a part of the search process. So this makes the algorithm appropriate for non-linear objective function where the other local search algorithms do not operate well. So like the stochastical hill climbing local search algorithm, it modifies the single solution and searches the relative local area of the search space until the local optima is located. So unlike the hill climbing algorithm, it may accept the worst solution as the current working solution. So if we are talking about the hill climbing algorithm, that never makes the downhill moves towards the state with the lower value or the highest cost. So if we are having in the hill climbing, if we are having the lower value, is guaranteed to be the incomplete because it can get stuck on the local maxima. So in contrast, in the purely random walk, that is moving to a successor chosen the uniformly at a random from the set of successor, so is complete but extremely inefficient. Therefore it seems reasonable to try to combine hill climbing with a random walk in some way that aids the both efficiency and completeness. Okay, so if you are using the random walk, sometime if you are using the hill climbing, sometimes we cannot get the efficiency result and the completeness. So for that purpose, if you are using the random walk in the hill climbing, so that we can get the efficiency, more efficiency and the completeness. So for that purpose we can use the simulated annealing. Okay, so if you are using for the random walk, if you are using the random walk with the hill climbing, then our solution is get more efficient and the completeness. So simulated annealing is such an algorithm where the annealing is the process is used to temper or harden the metals and the glass by heating them to the high temperature and then gradually coating them. So this allows the material to reach a lower energy crystalline state. To explain the simulated annealing, we switch our point of view from the gradient descent. That means the hill climbing is to the gradient descent. Gradient descent means what? That is the minimizing the cost. So to explain the simulated annealing, we switch over and imagine switch our point of view from hill climbing to the gradient descent and imagine the task of getting the ping pong ball into the deepest crevice in the dummy surfaces. So if we just let the ball roll, so it will come to the rest at a local minima. If we shake the surface, we can ball out of the local minima but not hard enough to disclose. So it from the global minima. So the simulating annealing solution is to start by shaking the hard, that means high temperature, and then gradually reduce the intensity of the shaking, that means it get the lower the temperature. So the hill climbing algorithm, which never makes a move toward the lower value, are guaranteed to be the incomplete because it can get stuck in the local maxima. Okay, as I said earlier. So and if the algorithm applies the random walk by moving the successor, then it may complete but not efficient. So simulating annealing is one algorithm which aids the both efficiency and the completeness. So in mechanical term, the annealing is the process of hardening a metal or a glass to the high temperature, then cooling gradually. So this allows the metal to reach to the lower energy crystalline state. So the same process is used in the simulated annealing, in which the algorithm picks a random moves instead of picking the best move. So if the random moves improves the state, then it follows the same path. Otherwise, the algorithm follows the path which has the probability of less than 1, or it moves downhill and choose the another path. Okay, so this is a concept about the simulated annealing. The second thing is the local beam search. So keeping just one node in a memory might seems to be an extreme reaction to the problem of memory limitations. So the local beam search algorithm keeps track of k state rather than just one. So it begins with the k random generated state. So at each step, all the successor of all the k states are generated. So if any one is a goal, the algorithm halts. Otherwise, it selects the k-based successor from the complete list and repeat. Okay. So at first sight, a local beam search with the k state might seem to be nothing more than running k random restarts in a parallel instead of in a sequence. So in fact, the two algorithms are quite different. So in the random restart search, each search process runs independently of the others, and in a local beam search, useful information is passed among the parallel search threads. So in effect, the states that generate the base successor says to the others, comes over here, the grass is greener. The algorithm quickly searches and moves its resources to where the most progress is being made. So in its simplest form, the local beam search can suffer from a lack of diversity among the k states. They can quickly become the concentrated in the small region of the state space and making the search little more than an expensive version of a hill climbing. So the variant called as the stochastic beam search. Okay, variant is called as a stochastic beam search, and the analogies to the stochastic hill climbing helps to alleviate this problem. So instead of choosing the best k from the pool of candidate successor, the stochastic beam chooses the k successor at a random, with the probability of choosing a given successor being an increasing function of its value. So stochastic beam search bears some resemblance to the process of natural selection, whereby the successor, that means offspring of a state organism, populate the next generation according to its value, which is called as a fitness. Okay, so all these things, that means offspring, organism, fitness, we are going to discuss in the next part, that is the genetic algorithm. Okay, so this is all about the local beam search.